Chapter 9, Surface Area and Volume. We shall continue with the next topic. Now the topic is related to cone. Now everyone knows a cone. Everyone has seen a cone, right? Okay. Now a cone has two heights. Always remember, a cone always has two heights. You can see the figure of a cone over here. Okay. This is a cone. Now there are two heights. One is a slant height. So this height which is little slanting, that is called as a slant height. Okay, so AB is a slant height and AO is a perpendicular height. So that is denoted. There are two different terms in cone. Okay, slant height is denoted by L and a perpendicular height is denoted as H. So always remember, a cone has two heights. One is a slant height and another one is a perpendicular height. Okay, and this is the radius. OB is a radius. Now suppose we have to find slant height. So how should we find the slant height? We should find the slant height by using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So that is slant height, that is L square is equals to R square plus H square. Okay. So this is the way we can find slant height. This is the formula to find the slant height. So now next let us see the next formulas which are there in the topic. First one, total surface area of a cone. Now the formula for total surface area of a cone is pi r bracket L plus R. Okay. So you have to learn all the formulas which I have written here. Then next, the formula to find volume of a cone. So the formula to find volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay. Then next, area of base of a cone. So base of a cone formula is pi r square. And the last, curved surface area of a cone. So the formula to find curved surface area of a cone is pi r l. Now let us start with practice set 9.2. First question. The perpendicular height of a cone is 12 centimeter and slant height is 13 centimeter. Find the radius of the base of the cone. So now here the slant height and the perpendicular height is given to us and we have to find the base of the cone. Base of the cone means we have to find the radius of a cone. So now let's see what is the formula. L square is equals to R square plus H square. Okay. So now L is what? 13, R we don't know and H is 12. So 13 square is equals to R square plus 12 square. So what is square of 13? Square of 13 is 169 which is equals to R square plus square of 12 is 144. Now this I shift on other side. So 169 minus 144 is how much? 25. So finding the square root of 25 is 5. So R is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay. Next, second sum you have to do for homework. Third one, curved surface area of a cone is 251.2 centimeters square. Okay, yeah, the curved surface area of a cone is given to us. Radius is 8 centimeter. Find the slant height and a perpendicular height. So from the given we have to find the slant height and then we have to find the perpendicular height. So now let's begin first. We'll find the curved surface area of a cone. So the formula is pi r l. So curved surface area of cone is pi r l, where the curved surface area is 251.2. Pi value is already given to us as 3.14 in the question. So you have to take that value itself, multiply by r is given as 8, L is unknown. So now this 0.2, that means upon 10, one decimal digit, right? So upon 10, 2512 upon 10 which is equals to 3.14. So here there are two decimal digit. So upon 100, multiply by 8 into L. So now I shift all the numbers together and keep L over here itself. So this 100 will go up, then this 314 will come down and 8 also will come down. Therefore 2512 into 100 upon 10 into 314 into 8 is equals to L. 0 0 gets cancelled. So now let's see what else can be cancelled. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24, 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. So 314 into 10 upon 314 is equals to L. 314 gets cancelled. So L is equals to 10 centimeter. So now we got the value of L as 10 centimeter. Next, we got the slant height, we have to find the perpendicular height, right? So we use the formula L square is equals to R square plus H square. So L is 10 square is equals to 8 square plus H square. Therefore 100 minus 64 is H square. So H square is 36. So taking square root on both the sides, the height is equals to 6 centimeters. So slant height is 10 and perpendicular height is 6. Next, fourth sum. What will be the cost of making a closed cone of tin sheet having radius of base 6 meter and slant height 8 meter if the rate of making is rupees 10 per square meter? So now here, what is the cost of making? So we have to find the cost of making of closed cone of tin. Okay, so now here is a cone. So we have to find the cost, but before we find the cost, we need to find what is the total area of the cone. So first we find the total surface area of a cone. So the formula is pi r, r plus L. So pi is 22 upon 7, because the value is not given. You can take, if you want 3.14, you can take 3.14. If you want to 22 upon 7, you can take 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7 multiply by 6, multiply by 6 plus 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So 22 upon 7 into 6 into 14, 7 ones are 7 twos are. So you multiply, you get 264 square meter. Now we find the cost. So 1 meter is rupees 10. So total is 264 into 10, which is 2640 rupees. So you got the total cost of the cone shape tin. Next, fifth sum. Volume of a cone is 6280 cubic centimeter and base radius of the cone is 30 centimeter. So we know the volume, we know the radius, right? Find its perpendicular height. So we have to find its height. So use the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So therefore volume is 6280 is equals to 1 upon 3 into the value of pi is 3.14. So you should see that you take only that value which is given to you, not the other one. If the value is not given, you can take anything, that is either 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So 1 upon 3 into 3.14 multiply by 30 into 30 into h. Keep h on this side, shift all the numbers on other side. So this 3 you shift it here. Okay, now this 3.14 can be written as 314 upon 100. So that 100 also can go there. Now bring this 314 down, 30 down and 30 down, which is equals to h. So now let's see what can be cancelled. 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Then anything else could be cancelled. Let's see. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 zeros are 0. No, that cannot be cancelled. Cannot cancel this. So okay, 0 is already gone. So I check by this. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2 fours are okay. Then next, this 3 and 3 could be cancelled. 157 ones are 157 20s are, that is 20 upon 3. So you divide 20 by 3, you get height is 6.67 centimeter. So you get the height as 6.67 centimeter. Okay. Next, sixth sum. Surface area of a cone is 188.4 square centimeter. Now here the surface area is given to us. Okay, then its slant height is 10 its slant height is 10 centimeters. So L is also given to us. Find its perpendicular height. So we have to find H. But before we find H, we need to find R. So the formula for surface area of a cone is pi r L, where area is 188.4, pi is given to us as 3.14, r is unknown, 10 is the length. So now I shift the numbers on other side. Okay, but before I shift, I take out the decimal point. So 188.4, so this 0.4, so that becomes 1884 upon 10, which is equal to 314 upon 100 into r into 10. So now this will go here, this will come down here, that also will come down here. So which is equals to r. So now let's cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. The 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then 157. 157 1 the 157, 157 6 are. So you get r is equals to 6 centimeter. Now use the formula to find the perpendicular height. So the formula is L square is equal to r square plus h square. So what is L? L is 10, r is 6. So 10 square is equals to 6 square plus h square. Therefore 100 minus 36, because this 6 will come here. So when it goes on other side, it becomes minus. So 100 minus 36 is equal to h square. Therefore h square is equals to 64. So if h square is 64, h is equals to 8. Okay. So you get the perpendicular height as 8 centimeter. Now please note question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 is been omitted. Okay. Now for your homework, you have to solve problem set question number 3 and question number 1. Thank you.